Now we're going to talk about how to fold jeans. People wear their jeans a lot more than they used to, so you really want them to look good. They're not just for working in the garden anymore. So you want to zip up the fly and button it up just like you would any other normal pair of pants. Flip them over. Try and smooth them out. You want to pull on either seam and really make sure that they're flat. Now, for pants, you flip them over and you've done that, but I always am able to tell my pants by the design on the pocket. So these are actually going to fold from the front. So you take this, keep one side flat and ready, and then the other one you want to be holding onto the seam from the top to the bottom and fold it over. I'm going to smooth that out, make sure everything adds up just like you would another pair of pants. And you want to do 3 folds again. One goes up to a little bit above where the knee would be. It's like about there. And then one more fold goes up to the waist. And keep that as flat as possible. And the fun thing with jeans is that, especially if you have a lot that look alike, you can look at the pocket or at the brand this way and see which kind it is.